The big question today is what are we supposed to do about these huge numbers of feral pigeons? The blue rock pigeons, the kinds that are on your ledges, that are everywhere, that are laying eggs. You see them in ACs, you see them, behind the charpai that you just put against a wall on the chat, and things like that. The point is there's a problem and we need to accept it. And the problem is this, it's the problem of invasive species. A study by two scientists found in Tiruchirappalli that uh, out of 80 spots that they surveyed, they found four species that comprised 78.2% of all the birds. And these species were, not surprisingly, the blue rock pigeon, which is the pigeon that you see everywhere. It comprised the black crow, the black kite, and the common myna. And the thing is that all these birds are now eating at various places. The what they eat has expanded. They're not fussy eaters. And that kind of being a kind of very successful omnivore allows you to find all kinds of food everywhere. And then you reproduce more and you explode in numbers. And that actually displaces a lot of other species that are very niche specific. It isn't good for a city's health or a city's biodiversity. Pigeon poop, in particular, causes it has this fungi which causes lung disease, but also you know about the pigeon fancier's lung, which is pretty hard to treat if at all it can be treated. And people with no links with pigeons can still get these diseases. So, what do you do? In the olden times, people would shoot pigeons and or they would poison them, and I think both of them are completely wrong things to do. We don't want to be a trigger-happy country that just picks up guns and shoots any kind of species that we don't like and say, "Oh, they're a pain." There is a case for shooting certain species under certain circumstances if they're a public threat or a threat to people. But that has to be done on a case by case study with proper supervision based on the law, based on extreme oversight, and by specialists. And that's not the case for urban species by and large. There was another way where people would poison birds. People still poison birds on farms, etc. But that is wrong. Firstly, poisoning a bird is in itself um, a very big moral wrong. But other than that, poisoning also spoils the soil, the water, the air, and you can't reverse any of that. So what do you do? And the response that I have to you is stop feeding. Stop feeding pigeons. Now, I do know a lot of people want to feed pigeons either because it's a religious belief or it's something you've been doing for years or it just makes you really happy. It could be anything. And you can see people coming onto pavements or islands and putting corn and bajra and cooked rice. The problem is that's not good for the pigeons. It fills them, but it doesn't nourish them. So we have to start thinking about what else. And the other option we had is to make sure that we enable pigeons to eat the kind of food that is natural to them, that's good for them. And those are certain kinds of grasses and well, basically seeds from those grasses and certain fruits and berries. And so we have to find a way in every neighborhood and even in every ward to put up patches where pigeons can actually feast themselves and eat natural food, food that's good for them. And that's been done a lot with species and particularly pigeons, Melbourne being a really good example. But what really matters is that then people who want to nurture those pigeons or to feed those pigeons need to make sure that pigeons have access to this food, that it is growing, that it is watered properly, especially watered properly. And that would probably be better for pigeons. Of course, we wish to add, there will be a drop in numbers, and that is how nature kind of restores its balance. It's not a bad thing if the numbers drop, because then you don't have the problem that you have of some species exploding and taking over the full city while other species are edged to a corner. compete for resources and sometimes they don't happen. So if you are somebody who fancies pigeon and likes the season, please reconsider how you will feed them. Think about creating a space where they can come and feed themselves. And if you're somebody who doesn't like pigeons, pushed for other ways to feed pigeons, and definitely campaign against shooting them. I did that when I was 16 years old with a bunch of other students, and now in hindsight, I still stick with campaigning against reducing the numbers of pigeons by shooting them. But now, as a person more familiar with ecology and even science has progressed so much, I know there are better ways, and I know that it's essential to do that for the health of our city and the health of people.